Hello guys, this is my other savings. Wait guys. And there is more. So guys, this is all of my coins.
Ang dami pala, Purple.
300.
Nasa 400 na yata yan.
No, 300. And this is my special coin from Oman and Abu Dhabi or Dubai.
Nasaan? Bakit naging special yan?
Because this
Ay,
is
Oman,
from
Oman ba yan?
See, because this swords means Oman, see?
Saan? Ay, yung kabila. Ano yung isa?
This is from Dubai or Abu Dhabi.
Ah, yung bagong coins?
Yes.
Tingnan mo yung kabila. Harapan. Tayo, pautangin ko muna to. Pang pagawa ko ng car. Bibili ako ng body kit. Okay lang? Okay lang? Thank you.